Hello and good morning, good afternoon, or good night wherever you are, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a quick little review of this Tic Toc lip tint from I'm Mimi. And I actually picked this up on a Jolcy haul. It was a very mini Jolcy haul, which is why there isn't a video of it. But I picked up like 3 or 4 things, and for the first time I didn't get the express shipping for free. So I got the free normal shipping, and it came in a good amount of time. I think it was like 2.5 weeks that I waited. So not too bad for free shipping, in case you guys were wondering. But let's get right into the review. So this is actually in the shade TL001 Forbidden Pleasure. And it is the color that I'm wearing right now on my lips, and I feel like it's an awesome winter color. I actually thought this was going to be really drying because of the texture. Like, it looks glossy in some of the photos that they have on Jolcy's website, but you have to kind of push out a lot for it to be glossy. But otherwise it just gets kind of this like satin finish to it. And the first time that I put it on, I was like, ooh, this is going to look so dry by the end of the day. It's gonna flake off terribly, but it actually, it doesn't feel drying at all, really, and it stays super well. Like, I can put it on and leave it on for like 6 hours and eat with it on, and there's still a hint of it left. And also, like I said, it's not drying at all. It is not moisturizing either, but if your lips are just like average moisture level, this isn't, it's not gonna hurt them. It's not gonna dry them out like a matte lipstick would. And it says to apply it in a dabbing motion. I don't always do that. It has this little like sponge applicator thing, and it's all red now, but when I first got it, there was nothing in it. I don't know if you can see the product coming out of it, but yeah, so you just dab it on, or if you're me, you just don't follow the rules and you rub it on. But it works so well, and it's such a pretty color for winter. Like, it looks like berries to me, and also it smells like chocolate. Like, I don't know why it smells like chocolate, but it does, and it smells awesome. It doesn't taste like chocolate, so don't try to taste it. But anyways, this product I would give, if I had to give it a heart rating, I would give it 5 hearts. I really, really love this, and I can't wait to pick this up in a couple more colors. They have so many colors on Jolcy. Also, the price, just so that you guys know, it is currently $12.05 on Jolcy. It's normally $14.18. It's on sale, so if you want to get it now. So it is a more expensive lip tint, because I know you can get lip tints for cheaper than that. It's like mid-range, I would say, but I think it's definitely worth it. Like, the product quality is up there. The reason that I actually bought this was because I saw it on Produce 48, and I was like, oh, I have to get one now. So I did, and I don't regret it. Highly recommend it. Get it for your friends for Christmas, get it for your mom for Christmas, get it for your sister for Christmas, get it for anybody for Christmas. Also, speaking of Christmas, let me know in the comments down below, or in a little like survey area up here, if you guys want a video on last minute Christmas gifts, because I think that might be my next video. If you don't want it, I won't do it. But if I don't get any no's or any other video ideas, that's probably what it's gonna be. Last minute Christmas gift ideas. Alright guys, well that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And I hope to see you all back here next time. Bye! Whoa.